very welcome to Dublin. Local time here is 9:15 in the morning. For your continued safety, please remain in your seats with your seatbelt fastened until our aircraft has stopped moving and we've opened the door. Please check the overhead bin, seat pocket in front of you for all of your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft, and take care when opening the bins, items which became displaced during the flight could fall out, causing injury to another passenger. If you have an onward connection by air today, and if you're in possession of your boarding card, please follow the signs to the Flight Connection Centre, where you'll be redirected to your next gate. If you have not yet been issued with a boarding card, one will be given to you there. If anybody needs any information or assistance, our uniformed ground staff here in Dublin Airport will be in hand to assist you. And if you need any information on surface transport or accommodation, there is an information desk situated inside in the arrivals area. On behalf of Captain Daly and the crew, we'd like to thank you very much for choosing to fly with Aer Lingus this morning. We do hope you enjoyed your short flight and look forward to seeing you on board other Aer Lingus flights in the future. Just a final reminder of our website, airlingus.com, where you'll continue to find information on great airfares, car hire, hotel accommodation and travel insurance. Just a reminder, the Dublin Airport is a no smoking zone. If you wish to smoke, please follow the signs to the smoking areas which are outside of the airport. And ladies and gentlemen, if you wish to use your mobile phones, you may do so. Just please still remain in your seats with your seatbelt fastened. Grab Mahagriva Cordia, Fui Hashel Aer Lingus Inu, Thosulagging, Gervinshif That of Vasnetel, Sloan, August Banacliff Galair. Goodbye and safe onward journey to you all.